Hi, so today video we are going to design this part. This is a very basic part. So in this image you can see there is a 3D view. This is isometric view. This is we can say a top view. This is left side view and this is front view. So we are going to design this part. So for this part I am going to the CATIA V5. Now file, new part. Okay, and here I can name like exercise 1. Then okay. Now I'm in the workbench. So now I will select any of one plane, go to the sketch, and here what I will do, I will first we will observe this part and all the views. So basically first we will find out the base. So in my opinion this is our base. So first I'm going to design this one, this block, which is have 14 height and 50 width. So with this help of measurement, I will create this block. So I will select this one. This measurement. So I will going to create first block by this. So for this one, this is our 50 So this should be 50 and this should be 14 So this will be 28 Then okay. Now all are green. That's mean it will not move. Now I will come out into the 3D and then I will create a pad with the height of 14 and then okay. Now what I am doing, I need to create a pocket which is this one, which have 14 millimeter long and 7 millimeter depth from the center. So for this one, what we will do, just go to this one, select this, go to the sketch. Now we are going to create a block. So just I put a block and then what is the condition? It is 14 millimeter. And so for the 14 millimeter, what is this total? So this total is 28. First we will create the 14, 14 now if we remove 14 from 28, 28 minus 14, so it is 14. So that's mean both sides we need to put equal gap, which is 7, 7. So just click here and click here. So I can do 7 millimeter, and with the help of this, and it will also be. I no need to take a constant, because if I do the constant, it will become a violent. It is not required this measurement, because we already did with the below one. So that is understood. That is not required. Now this white is required to convert into the green. So I will mark it as it should be 50. And it should be also constant with the axis or plane. Now it is completely green. Now I will check out and see. I need to create a pocket with 7 mm depth. So just go to the pocket, put here 7 and look at preview. Now okay. So now it is created. So the base is complete. Now we need to create a hole and this block. So first we will create this block. So the block measurements is like this. This is 21 and this is 28. Okay. And this is 40. So first we will create the 14. 28, 40. So go to the upper, select upper surface, go to the sketch. Now create another rectangle. Now I did with the reference with this axis, that's why the both lines become green, because it can't be changed, because it is attached to this axis system. Now we need to look at measurement, which is 14 and 28. So it should be constant, not 10. It should be 14 mm, and it should be 28 mm. Now it is okay. Now I need to create a pad, but before that I will create one more thing. So I will create also this one, so which is 21 till 14, 21 till 14. So it should be 21 till 14. Okay. So 14 is already there. So just go to this. So it should be 14 mm. And should be 7. So here one more thing we can do, we can remove this line, but that's okay. That is also okay. So that is also okay. No need to remove this line. Now going to the pad, selection this one. So what is the height of that one? Okay, so the height is total is 28. So 14 is the height because we are going to subtract this 14, the base one, from this total height. So it should be 14. And we did the same thing. It should be 14. It should be 14. Uh, yeah, it is 14. Now it is there. Now we need to create a block. Oh, sorry. We need to create a hole like this. So for that one, okay, it is 14 millimeter away from here, and it is 7 7. Okay. So what we are going just going here, and there is a one option which is called hole. Going to there, and there is a positioning sketch. With the help of this one, we can just simply constant is like 14, and 14 from here also. Now it is in the center like this, and the diameter also is 14. Radius is 7. So going to the exit, diameter will be 14, and that should be 7. Preview. Okay. Now if I want to, I can change the color. So color of this part is orange. I can change it by applying, And I can also change the edges color, and I can also hide these planes. Now it is completely as it is. So thank you for watching this video, and please try in your desktop to better understanding, so you will get some doubts and figure out by yourself.